Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to trade extended hours with Fidelity. First, ensure your account is enabled for extended hours trading, which is typically standard for brokerage accounts. Next, when placing an order, select extended hours as the time in force option. Remember, liquidity can be lower during these times, and prices may be more volatile. Always use limit orders to control your execution price. This approach helps manage potential price swings effectively. To set up an extended hours trade, navigate to the order entry screen on Fidelity's platform, whether it's the website or Active Trader Pro. When you're ready to place your buy or sell order, look for the Time in Force drop-down menu. From there, select Extended Hours. It's crucial to use a limit order, not a market order, to specify the maximum or minimum price you are willing to accept. This helps protect you from unexpected price movements. Extended hours trading comes with specific risks you should understand. One major factor is lower liquidity, meaning fewer buyers and sellers are active. This can result in wider bid-ask spreads, making it harder to get your desired price. You might also experience increased price volatility, with rapid and unpredictable price swings. Significant news announcements often occur outside regular market hours, causing sudden and dramatic price movements. Always be aware of these potential challenges. For successful extended hours trading, always prioritize using limit orders. This ensures your trade executes only at or better than your specified price, protecting you from adverse price movements due to low liquidity. Stay informed by closely monitoring relevant news and company announcements, as these can significantly impact stock prices outside regular hours. Remember, thorough research is key. Also, check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.